Playing guitar is not a competitive sport, but sometimes the internet makes it feel like it is, and a lot of players act like it is too. So even if you're a virtuoso, remember there was a time when you weren't. I mean, did you know that 90% of new guitarists give up in the first year? Just remember that when you hear another player struggling. No matter where they are on their journey, give them encouragement, not criticism. We've all been there, and I've never met a player who got inspired by someone telling them they suck. Learning guitar is hard work. It's a lifelong journey, even for the most naturally gifted players, and everyone experiences highs and lows and loses heart sometimes. But why did 9 out of 10 give up? Well, let's make sure it's not from snarky sarcasm or know-it-all advice from those of us fortunate enough to make it past year 1 and beat the odds. You know, the recent period of lockdowns and isolation set records for people of all ages picking up the guitar, either for the first time ever or playing more than they have in years. I really hope you're one of them, and I hope you'll come back to my channel again and again and keep making musical discoveries with me. Guitar, voice, and recording discoveries. You can start right here.